Why do we need security cameras? Security cameras and passenger transport cameras increase passenger and driver safety. Hardwired approved cameras have many benefits. They help prevent crime and deter criminals. Create a safe environment for passengers. Increase safety during payment transactions. Provide evidence when needed. Hold drivers accountable. Provide a safe work environment. Reduces liability in cases of passenger injuries. Meet regulatory requirements. Here at Transport Security Cameras, we offer you the latest technology in video camera quality and recording capability at the most affordable price in Australia. We also offer bulk purchase prices for fleets and networks. Contact us today to organize the supply and install of a transport security camera in your taxi, bus, limousine, hire car and rideshare vehicle.